This super easy and simple brown butter zucchini cake is so good you won't be able to stop at just one bite. Trust me. So to start it, we're going to brown some butter. You want to brown it until the milk solids are brown and it smells nutty and caramelized. Pour it into a bowl, let it cool for a few minutes, then whisk in some granulated sugar. Once that's combined, you're going to add in some eggs and vanilla extract. Mix that until everything's nice and homogeneous. Then you're going to grate some zucchini. You're going to need quite a lot of it. You want to make sure you get a full cup that's packed down. And then you're going to whisk that into the wet ingredients. Then you're just going to add the dry ingredients. We've got all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Now you're going to fold that in until just combined. Don't overmix it. Then pour it into a pan, spread it into an even layer, bake it. Then we're going to make a simple brown butter glaze. We've just browned some more butter, add some confectioner's sugar. Then we're going to add a bit of heavy cream and some vanilla bean paste. You could use vanilla extract if that's all you've got. Whisk it together. You want a nice pourable but thick consistency. Then just spread that on top of the cooled cake and slice it into bars. It's so perfect for summer, easy to make. The brown butter just takes it to the next level. You can find the full recipe linked below. I hope you guys love this easy cake.